Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can pay your credit card bill in Simplii Financial. In order to do so, here we are at simpli.com and we're all logged in. And to find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models available. And according to Cider, first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Simplii Financial account via the mobile app or website. Go to the payments or bill payments section, select pay bill or credit card payment, choose the credit card account you want to pay, enter the amount you wish to pay, confirm the payment date, review and submit the payment. Other ways you can pay are to use Interac e-transfer. You typically can't pay credit cards via Interact e-transfer directly, but you can also set up automatic payments from your Simplii checking account for full or minimum payments. You can also call Simplii's customer service to make a payment, or you can visit a CIBC branch to pay your Simplii credit card bill in person. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. Don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested in Simplii Financial, I highly recommend taking a look at it for the purpose of the Refer a Friend program. If you start with Simplii Financial, if you refer a friend, you get $125 in your bank account and your friend gets $50. I have tried it myself. I can guarantee it works. I can guarantee it's awesome. So if you're looking for a new banking account, take a look at Simplii Financial. I mean, just the fact that you can get money for using Simplii is amazing, and they have some incredible options for you to get started. Check out the link in the description, and you will find a link to Simplii, and that's our referral link. So if you click on that link, I get $125, you get $50. You get started and you refer your friends, you get $125 and they get $50, and so on and so forth. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Go check it out.